Hi everybody, and welcome to She Shaves with your host Jill. Yep, I'm Jill. So let's get on with the shave, shall we? Today I am going to be using from RazoRock, and I've used this before on camera, I do believe, and it's called the Dead Sea. This stuff is freaking awesome, and the scent of it is lemon, rosemary, cannabis, saffron, and sandalwood. And it is a cream, but it's very soft, so it's more like a crope. And oh, does it smell delicious. I love it. So let me put that lid aside. Before I get into the shave, I want to show you a preview of what will be coming up in the not too distant future. I received a package from Sheldon Quinn, and this is that newest R41 Plus that he has. And mine is pretty special because it's a different color handle with the gold on it. And I don't know if that's pearl or opal because it looks opalescent, but this is gold tone and nice long handle. So I'll be doing that. And I have another head in here without a handle, because razors that don't need handles. And this one is the Sunshine, and that's got a Swarovski crystal on it, special for me. So I'll be using that one too. This is a dual head. It's got an open comb, and it's got a straight bar. So look for that in the not too distant future for me to do shaves on. And thank you again, Sheldon Quinn, for those items. But let's get into this shave now. And with that soap, I am going to, I decided to use distilled water to soak my brush in, and to use if I have to add any more water, because I have very hard water. And the brush I'm going to be using is a very special to me Richman Shave Brush, which is a tribute brush, and it has a beautiful F1 Innovator knot in it. So that's been soaking. And I will tell you, this thing is dense as anything. So let me put a little water on top of the soap. And start loading it, the brush. So I usually do a video late Saturday night, early Monday morning. So I realize I'm late with this one. And already it's coming over the top. I'm not going to bowl lather with this one. I'm just going to work it up a little bit in the bowl. Boy, that one lather that I did was such a fail. I had so much water in it. I should have just squeezed out the brush and started from scratch to reload it. That was totally user error. All right, let me get some of this proto lather. so silky smooth. There's enough for the first pass. And it's all over the jar. Oh, I thought I had notifications turned off. Look at that. That's just the proto lather. Something tells me I'll be a long time lathering this one. Oh, all over my shirt already. You know me, I'm a messy shaver. Hope you had a great weekend and a good beginning to your week. I'm still waiting for 1 or 2 packages to come in the mail to me so that I can get it off to my sister and niece in Idaho. Lather flying all over the place. So, I didn't tell you what razor I'm using yet. This is to continue the series that I've been doing, switching between straight razors and Shavettes and GEM razors. So my last one was with that awesome straight razor I received recently. So today's is a GEM razor. And I got some boo-boos on my face, so alright, I'm going to call that ready. Oh, I forgot to turn that off. Hi again. Cut! So everything that could go wrong did go wrong in my video at the beginning. Error number 1, I put it on camera instead of open camera. So it shut off 7 minutes into the video that I was doing. So all you saw at the beginning, which I will include in this video, is me doing my first lather. Now, let's go back and see what I was using. Just to reiterate, I was using the Dead Sea soap. Wonderful soap. I love this. Lemon, rosemary, cannabis, saffron, and sandalwood. And I continued with my series of going back and forth between GEM razors and straight razors and Shavettes. And today was my GEM Pushbutton. You just close that up, and then there's a push button that opens it up, and in it I put a stainless GEM blade. And the brush that I used was this awesome tribute brush from Richman Shaving, and it's a F1 Innovator knot, lathered up great. So where the other video ended is I had just put on my first lathering. Well, that's where it cut off. But I received a wonderful shave, a wonderful BBS shave. I didn't reopen that mole that I had cut the top off of. No more weepers. It didn't irritate any of the damage that had recently been done to my skin or anything like that. So it was a wonderful shave. What I used for my post shave is I used Epsilon Blue Mediterranean aftershave, just because I love the smell of this stuff. And then after that, for the post shave, I mixed Unscented from Stirling Soap Co., their shave balm, with Lucky Tiger, and that's the face tonic. So I mix those together for the end of my post shave. So that's what happened with that. Now I'm going to go back to toward the beginning of my last video, and I want to show you again what's going to be coming up in the not too distant future. And I got this from Sheldon Quinn from Global Shave, and it is the R41 Plus, which is supposed to be a stupendous razor. And mine is very special. It's got this bluish purple handle, and it's gold tone, and I have a gem on top, and it's either an opal, like I mentioned, either an opal or a pearl. It looks opalescent, so I'll be reviewing that. And he also sent me this head, and it has a Swarovski gem on the top. And this is a pretty cool razor in that it has open comb on this side, and on the other side it has a closed bar. So I'll be reviewing and using that razor also. So thank you again, Sheldon Quinn, for that. And let's hope I don't screw up too many more videos, because it's very frustrating, because you can't go and put the hair back on your face if that part of the video didn't take. You know what I mean? I could have been a phony. I could have been a phony and come back in and lathered up and pretended like nothing had happened in the video, that it didn't shut off before, you know, and the rest of my shave was done and it wasn't on video. But I'm not that kind of person, Margaret. Oh, did I say that aloud? So anyway, hope you guys have a great week. I didn't make it to the post office today because of the video not turning out right, but yeah, there's always tomorrow. I only have one package to send off, and that's to Idaho, to my sister and my niece, her daughter. So have a great week coming up, and if you've got any questions, my email is always down below, and any questions or comments or anything like that for me. So like I said, have a great week ahead of you. And you guys know I love you, right? Right. Bye-bye.